have a large lineup of aircrafts out here at Green Bay. So you can see that line extends all the way down there. Soon to be a 767 joining onto this bunch of aircraft. All the lights are on already as this guy propellers up in a moment. Again, look at that long line of aircrafts. Up and away as we now have, alright, it looks like a Mitsubishi. Making some decent sound. Not too shabby. Not a lot of sound, but made some sound. As we have our next jet moving up. Anyways, there's our departure. Out of like, I don't know, many. Looks like we have a Dassault Falcon. And he's up, and away. This one can make a little bit of sound. We have, it looks like a Gulfstream lining up. Still waiting on our 767 to head its way over here. Yeah, that lineup wasn't that good, but it was alright. Now we ease off. Get up, Learjet. Or sorry, not a Learjet. Actually, I don't know. I'm kind of lost right now, but. And he goes up, and away. We have our next lineup here. Let's see if I can see what you are. I can't tell if he has props or not. We'll see. I'm not good with my private planes, but this guy looks like a Learjet. I think I mentioned, or it's actually I might be a Gulfstream, but I'm not the best with my private aircraft. This Looks Beechcrafty-ish, but it doesn't have props, so. I'm going to assume you're not a Beechcraft. He is up and away, and now we have our Gulfstream boy. I think this might actually be a Gulfstream. He is creating a lot of smoke out of the back, and he's already departing. Lots of smoke. I wasn't expecting him to depart that early. And he is up and away. Now this definitely looks like a Beechcraft. That Gulfstream, I think, has already turned far enough for this Beechcraft to park, but we'll have to wait and see. Are you a Beechcraft? You look like one. Got props on both sides, so just waiting though to take off. That one took off immediately after that other plane took off, but oh, are you going now? Yeah, I can hear ya. And he is up and away. Looks like we have a Cirrus type. It's not going to produce much sound. But you can hear his prop. He uses very little runway. And we can see another plane on short final, so this one is going to hold short. We have an Embraer 175 of United coming in. Focus on this Embraer jet. Anxious to line up after the Embraer that just landed. And here's reverse thrusters. This could be a Learjet type here. Still has to vacate the runway, but we have two planes on the runway right now. And the United Embraer has vacated, which means he can take off. How loud will you be? Give me some power. Come on. There we go. There we go. And that's a light one there. We have our, let's be Gulfstreamish, lining up and throttling up as well. Up, 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 and away. He's up, 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 and away. We have another aircraft heading towards this way. Yeah, another departure. Easily up, 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 and away. Four in. Another quick departure by this young one here. But yeah, he's basically up and away. So we have, oh, small boy. You can see United there at the gates. There might be two of them there right now. Sorry, there's a lot of mosquitoes here, preventing me from multiple planes getting ready to take off. Looks like we have a Delta aircraft down there first, and then a United 767. This would be Delta's CRJ-900. Now we have our United 767 off to Denver with a small plane behind him and another small plane. This is carrying the Denver Broncos. This will be back off to Denver. Turns on to 18 and it's getting ready for its departure. it's kicking some dust up. Oh yeah. Here's our Frontier A321 on short final for 1-8. I believe the livery is a hawk. A321 non-neo. Sorry, it's a bit windy out. Touchdown. Flight from Denver. A321. Here comes an American ERJ-175 in our heading off to Chicago O'Hare. Also a small little aircraft, it looks like a Beechcraft on final 418. Making a little bit of sound for me. Smaller airplane. Sorry, there's a little bit of mosquitoes around here. Mosquitoes. Should be exiting the runway quickly. Vacate. There it is, vacating. Definite Beechcraft there, boys. Another one. Getting ready for takeoff. This is a smaller plane. Early rotation. ERJ-175 heading off to Chicago. United, of course. Looks like we have a small private plane that just took off. Beechcraft. Or... yep, Beechcraft. There's our Frontier boy. In short, we're going to watch Frontier at a different angle. Try to get a view of our animal that's on the back of this A321 headed off to Denver. Frontier A321 again off to Denver. I believe this is our second ERJ-175, this one off to Denver. Not focusing. There we go. Now we're focused. I could be wrong. This is definitely an ERJ-175. It's off to Denver.